What's up guys, so the Xiaomi Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro are finally official. So many leaks, so many rumors, and finally this is your first look to the Mi 10 lineup from Xiaomi. And I think this is the biggest improvement Xiaomi has ever done to their phones, like in terms of screen, in terms of camera, and also in terms of the battery life. So design wise, the Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro features a 6.67 inches Full HD Plus AMOLED display. Now Xiaomi is using a punch hole selfie camera which is really small and is towards the flat screen. Yeah, I wish it was to the corner or center, cause right now it's in between center and left, which looks quite odd. And this is a 90Hz screen with 180Hz touch response rate to swipes, gestures. So in the user interface and daily experience and while gaming, you'll surely notice a huge difference in terms of fluidity, 60Hz versus 90Hz. The screen is curved and top and bottom chin looks really slim. Yeah, I like this whole design language. Let's talk about the battery life. So Xiaomi has used a 4780 mAh battery on the cheaper Mi 10. Yeah, there's also 30 watts charging mechanism. The Mi 10 Pro comes with a 4500 mAh battery. That is a shocker cause Pro variant is coming with a small battery than standard Mi 10. Another shocker comes with a 65 watts charger out of the box, which you can use to charge the Mi 10 Pro as well as a laptop. So with that 90Hz AMOLED display, you'll surely need some battery. We'll see in the real life performance and usage how it goes. You also get 30 watts wireless charging and 10 watts reverse charging support, which is great. In terms of the specifications, there's Snapdragon 865 flagship CPU, LPDDR5 RAM from Micron as well as from Samsung, UFS 3.0 for faster read and write speed, Wi-Fi 6 and all the latest and the greatest features. Yes, the entire lineup is 5G capable, which is a great thing. And now comes the most important, the quad camera setup on the Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro. So Xiaomi has done really well in this department. They are using a 108 megapixel primary shooter with 8p lens on 10 Pro, 7p lens on 10. There's a wide angle shooter, telephoto zoom and portrait lens. Xiaomi has also done some significant improvement in the software. There's 50x insane zoom, 8K video recording support, that means 33 megapixel per frame. There's also super night mode both in still and videography, which is a great thing. And DxOMark has given the Mi 10 Pro highest score right now, both in terms of audio and camera department. See, there are no big differences between the Mi 10 versus Pro, only battery size, charging speed and cameras. So both are great. You can also pick the Mi 10 or Mi 10 Pro, there's not a huge gap in my opinion. Cause the Mi 10 starts at 39.99 yuan, which no one was expecting. That's 40,000 Indian rupees slash 590 US dollars. The Mi 10 Pro starts at 49.99 yuan, which is insane, 50,000 Indian rupees slash 710 US dollars. Yeah, still lower than the Galaxy S20 pricing. But yeah, this is their main flagship, the highest Mi flagship pricing ever. So guys, that's all. Which one are you purchasing, or you are getting the S20 slash S20 Plus, OnePlus 8, OnePlus 8 Pro? Let me know in the comment section. Meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.